Well, we're wrapping up the summer months for 2023, and we've got the market numbers in. Hi, I'm Sandra Burris with Keller Williams Realty, and I've been a real estate agent in the North Texas market for over 15 years. And I have a passion for sharing about our market, not only about the real estate, but about all the cool things there are to do here. Today, we're going to talk about the August real estate market numbers. Well, to be honest, things have been pretty steady over the last several months. We're pretty happy about that because with everything happening in the economy and with inflation, we're super happy to be in a market here in North Texas that is very balanced. There are many markers that we look at when we're trying to evaluate our real estate market. First of all, we look at how many months of inventory we have. We look at days on market, and if that's higher or lower than either last year or the last month, and how that's going to progress going forward. We look at average sales price as well as price per square foot. Now, honestly, I include price per square foot not because we in the real estate world use it so much, but it's a good indicator for the lay person to be able to evaluate how properties compare. Now, in August of 2023, we are still firmly in a seller's market. We are about 2.5 months of inventory. What that means is the ratio between how many houses we have on the market and how many sell in a given month. Now, as long as we're in 1 to 4 months of inventory, we are in a seller's market. When that 4 to 6 months of inventory, that's called a balanced market, which means there's enough inventory for people to choose from and nobody really has any firm advantage. Now, above 6 months of inventory, that's when we move into a buyer's market. That tells us who has the leverage in a transaction. The average price per square foot right now is at $219 per square foot over all of North Texas. That is up slightly from last month, and that's a good indicator that prices are still inching up. Our average days on market is 39, quite a bit lower than our 15-month high of 58 days on market, which means things are selling and getting off the market quicker. Our average sales price in North Texas is $496,000, and that's about a $14,000 increase over the last year, which just shows you we're still appreciating. Now, with interest rates currently in the mid to high 7s, there are sellers out there that are waiting to put their houses on the market because they really don't want to get rid of that really good interest rate that they currently have. And unless they have a big motivator, they may not list. Now, we've constantly got people moving in and out of our market. We've got people buying their first homes. We have people selling and moving to a vacation home. So we've always got inventory moving here, but there is a fair number of people that are waiting to put their houses on the market. Now, many of you may be watching what's happening in the economy and with inflation, and you might be curious about how that impacts the real estate world. There's 4 things that I think we'll see as interest rates start to move down. We should see more transactions happening, more properties being listed, prices increasing, and I also think there's going to be an increase in competition. So in summary, what we're telling our buyers is you may be trading a lower price now waiting for interest rates to go down. We're still seeing property prices increase and price per square foot increasing. So if you're waiting for that lower interest rate, it may be negatively impacting you financially to do that, especially when a lot of lenders have already offered to refinance homes with little to no lender fees as interest rates start to go down. Bottom line, if you're in the market to purchase a home, I would look now. We're seeing some things that benefit you as a buyer. Sellers are a little bit more willing to negotiate. They're also willing to take a contingency, which we were not seeing in the last few years. And the other thing is if you're looking to buy a new construction, builders are offering incentives, and it may really be in your favor to look now. Basically, there is never a bad time to buy the right home. And how does this impact sellers? Well, often a seller is also a buyer, so they can take advantage of some of those benefits a buyer sees. And the other thing is there's some programs out there that allow a seller to buy and then list their home, which may benefit you on both sides. And remember, guys, it's a seller's market. Our market is fantastic. Take advantage of it now. And I also want to tell you, we have a quarterly buyer seminar that's complimentary. And if you're interested, even in the near future, looking to purchase, it's a great opportunity to ask me and a lender questions that may help you make some decisions going forward. And remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much. Have a great day.